Good afternoon, everybody. I think you all know me by now, but I will say I'm Cynthia Jacobson, and I'm the chair of the Conservation of Arctic, Flora and Fauna Working Group of the Arctic Council. Thank you all for being here this afternoon. That was a very powerful presentation from our youth, and so thank you so much for that. We have a lot. We have a lot to learn from all of you, so thank you for sharing that with us. So I want to thank the environment ministers and the Summit Council representative for participating in this panel today and providing your perspectives on biodiversity conservation in the Arctic. Before I begin, just some brief prepared comments. I just want to tell everybody that I prepared these comments about 2 weeks ago with the help of the wonderful CAFF Management Board. And thinking about and reflecting a little bit on what I've seen and heard at the Arctic Biodiversity Congress and also at the Arctic Environment Ministers meeting this morning, I really see a lot of similarities between these comments that were prepared 2 weeks ago and the sentiment that I've heard, and also from the youth today. So I think that's pretty special and very telling. So as you all know well, the Arctic is a special place. A place comprised of unique peoples, cultures, fish, wildlife, and plants, biodiversity. Indigenous peoples who have called the Arctic their home from time immemorial understand the interconnectedness of life that make up the social ecological systems of the Arctic. As you also know well, the Arctic is a place of rapid change that is and will continue to impact these systems which we value and on which we depend. With change comes uncertainty, but also potential opportunity, a chance to do things differently, better, wiser than we've done in other geographies. That opportunity is now, not tomorrow, to take action to ensure that healthy social ecological systems and sustainable development is the future of the Arctic. Tomorrow is too late. As leaders of the 8 Arctic countries and Indigenous leaders here today, we, the conservation professionals, scientists, traditional and local knowledge holders and communities, advocates, youth, and industry representatives look to you for inspiration, guidance, and action. And we offer our support as we move forward together to find common solutions and address the challenges facing the Arctic. I thank you for what you do, ministers and Indigenous leaders, for conservation and the people of the Arctic. And I look forward to hearing the responses you have to the questions we are posing to you today.